Well, today is Memorial Day, and I decided to make my famous chicken wings. It's sort of a teriyaki style chicken wing that I came up with. It has influences from Japanese, Chinese, and Taiwanese cooking. Now, it only takes 6 simple ingredients. Of course, chicken wings, soy sauce, sugar, rice wine, onions. I like to use sweet onions, and orange juice. That's the secret ingredients. Now, the proportion is about 1 part each. You can mix the proportions according to your taste, and once you mix it, you add it into a Ziploc bag with some onions and you marinate it overnight. Once it's done marinating, simply put it on the grill. Now, I like to flip it over and over again and reapply marination each flip. I also like to check the temperature of it and make sure it's 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and then it's done. And take it off the grill and
Chicken wing time!